My video tutorial is dedicated to help you get rid of the new ransomware called Paaa. Paaa is a ransomware attacking many Windows computers all over the world today. Paaa ransomware is able to damage the files considerably. The ransomware is from the DJVU family, as I said. Before the ransomware attack, you're able to open the files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Paaa ransomware may be very easily injected into the system. Of course, this is the result of certain vulnerabilities in the system. So I recommend you to first of all make sure that your computer is fully protected from all sorts of malware or ransomware attacks, and you need to have a proper antivirus software. After people restart their computers, they suddenly realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware actually encrypts files and appends the Paaa extension to the file names. As a consequence, it is impossible to use the data anymore. The ransomware encrypts files and then actually damages them considerably. So the ransomware is called like that because it appends the Paaa extension additionally to the file names. The ransomware then tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. So do not waste your money and do not pay the ransom. What I recommend you to do immediately is to thoroughly scan your system with the help of reliable antivirus application. So you can now see the consequences of the ransomware's attack. The ransomware appends this Paaa extension to the file names, and it's impossible to use the data. One thing you need to realize is that you should not actually pay the ransom. Don't waste your money. What I recommend you to do is to scan your system additionally with Combo Cleaner. Go to the website combocleaner.com. Download the application, install the software, and then once it gets successfully installed, start researching the system. Combo Cleaner will help you to effectively detect and eliminate other threats. So the software is initially in the trial mode and only a quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database. So do not skip this very important step. Make sure the antivirus database is properly updated for proper detection and removal of any ransomware. After the anti-malware database is updated, the software begins scanning, researching, and investigating your system. And after the antivirus database gets successfully updated, at the end of this scan, you will see the summary of threats. You will be able to know their locations. Some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to Premium, and this way you can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover the data.